Hey everyone, in this video we will learn whether this Pawns app is real or fake and can you make money. Pawns app is a real app that lets you earn small amounts of money by doing things like sharing your internet, answering surveys, and playing games. It works on both Android and iOS. One way to earn is by letting the app use your unused internet bandwidth. You can earn about 20 cents for every gigabyte shared, and some users have made around $6 over 2 weeks just by keeping it running in the background. You can also make money by completing surveys and trying out games. Surveys usually pay between 50 cents and $150 depending on how long they are and where you're located. Some users say that earn about $20 in a week by spending an hour or two daily. The app has a low minimum cash out of $5 and you can get your money through PayPal, gift card, or even cryptocurrency. While the app is legit and does pay user, the money you earn is small. It's best for people who just want to make a little extra cash in their spare time without doing much work. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.